He opened the door and was surprised to see a bunch of frogs leaping around the room. One leapt right by his face, and he was surprised to see that he could catch it. "Time," said a name tag on the side of it. He let go of it and grabbed another one. This one said, "Flame." Suddenly, the frog that he was holding burst into an old man that had red, fiery robes, an orange hat, and a staff which curled around an orb of fire at the end. At the same time, all of the other frogs turned into wizards. He saw all different types of them. Some had armor, some had masks, and there are many more. "Hello, Jack," they all said in unison. "We are the wizards of the elemental realm." Jack looked very surprised at the fact that there are wizards in his home. "Why are you here, and how do you know my name?" he asked. "We are here to defeat a great evil that has been running. Take this sword. You are the one with the birthright." The fire wizard handed him a flaming sword that looks like something from a fantasy novel, but he had no time to think of that. He heard a great thump from outside his house. "It is here," they exclaimed. "We must unite and defeat him. Jack, you must slay it with the sword." They went outside, and Jack saw what they were talking about. A great gray dragon was thumping around outside the house. Suddenly, something took over him. He ran at the monster, dragging the sword behind him. He could see the rays of energy that the wizards were firing at the dragon. He leapt off the rock into the air and slashed the dragon across the chest, and the great monster fell.